Welcome to my channel ABHIGYAN. Now in this video I am going to explain the chapter Absorption by Roots. The name of the chapter is, again I am telling, Absorption by Roots. This is the chapter from class 10 book. So now let's start the video. First of all, when we are going for this chapter, first of all we have to understand what is that concept about this absorption of the roots. Absorption means when something is taking the water inside. That means here the roots are taking the water inside. Inside of what? Inside of the cell of a plant body. So if you will draw a diagram roughly, then we can see generally this is the structure of the root, and we can see this is the different type of root that branches, and there we can see the root here is present, and this is the tip. This is the tip portion. This is the root here region, and these are the branches of roots, and this is actually the root system. Now from where the water is coming inside, first of all we have to understand that water is coming inside of any root through this root hair region. Through this root hair region the water molecules are coming inside. Now I am trying to draw a diagram of this region. If this is a rough design of a root hair region, so we can say these are the root hairs, this is root hairs, these are the root hairs, this one and this one, these are the root hairs, and outside these are the water molecules. These are the water molecules. Okay, now this is inside the cell, this is cell, this is also cell, this is, now from here the water molecules is going inside, then going towards the cell. This is going inside, then it is going towards the cell. This is going inside, it is going inside, like that. This is called absorption by roots. Now this process is, we are telling absorption by roots very easily, but it consisted many several different kinds of physiological processes. Now what are those? We are going one by one. First of all, it is coming diffusion. Now what is diffusion? Diffusion is a process where we can see that any type of molecule of solid, liquid or gas, generally going from the high concentration area to low concentration area. This is diffusion. The molecules are going of that solvent and solute, both the things are there. If solvent and solute both the things are there, then solute molecules are going. Suppose one pan is there or one beaker is there, whatever it is, there we are taking fresh water. Now we are just giving a pinch, a drop of ink here. Here we are giving a drop of ink, and this is normal fresh water. So we can see first where the water, this ink is dropping, this area will become colored first. Then slowly the color is spreading, and after few minutes we can see after few minutes we can see that the full beaker, all water become colored water. Okay, it is not anymore of fresh water, it is become colored water. Color of the ink is present over there. It is called diffusion. It is called diffusion. Okay, from high density area or high concentration area, it is going to the low concentration area until unless the concentration becoming even in all the areas. It is called diffusion. Now after diffusion we are going to the next one. It is called osmosis. Osmosis it is called. It is almost the opposite of this one. So I am writing there osmosis. Osmosis. In case of osmosis, generally the movement is coming from the low concentration area to high concentration area. Now how it is happening? Suppose here one big beaker is there where in the middle one separation is there. It is semi-permeable membrane. It is a semi-permeable membrane. Okay, it is present in between and it is only differentiating both the sides. Now what we are doing? Both the areas, both the sides, we are taking same amount of water. Suppose I am just explaining with a simple example. Okay. Now this area we are giving 2 spoons of salt, and this area we are giving 5 spoons of salt. Okay. So